So I was on the committee to recommend what to do for flying. Okay. So we studied it quite in detail and discovered several things. One, that the air circulation in an aircraft can be ramped up 3 times more than what it normally used because it's used to save energy that you don't want to turn on your full capacity. So first thing first, all the airlines were advised to go to full capacity of circulation. Second recommendation was that everybody should wear a mask and don't serve any food or drinks because they would have to take it down to do it. So it's possible on short flights, but not possible on international flights. Okay. Then we say, okay, then one seat empty in between, mandatory. But if if you have so much load that you have to give the seat in the middle, then that should be in a wraparound PPE gown, so that your clothes and all don't touch the next person. Okay. So those were the things that we recommended. Gloves, if you sanitize your hands, gloves, it's better to do it that way. Gloves don't work that well. Okay. Shields do work well. So an N95 mask and a shield, try to avoid any drinking or eating, do your thing before, not using the toilet because it hangs around in the toilet. Somebody goes and coughs in the toilet, it'll hang around there, the particles will hang around. So try to avoid that. It's not possible to do it on international flights because there are 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, whatever it may be. So avoid international travel if you can. Short flights are still okay. And the airlines have understood now. When the problem comes, which I saw, I came back from Goa, that people will get off in distance and everything. But when it comes to the baggage turnstile, they all jump on each other. So the concept is not embedded in our head yet. Then look, you can wait, you can stay away from each other. You see your bag, you go leap and take it. It's not going to disappear in a second. So those things I saw was being violated. And that's what happens. You're standing waiting for your baggage and you're talking to each other. That's when you spread.